Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of fertilizing with the EZ-FLO 2005 HB, the best fertilizer injector you can get your hands on. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, maintaining lush, healthy plants is crucial. And with the EZ-FLO 2005 HB, achieving that dream garden has never been easier. Let's start by taking a closer look at what makes this fertilizer injector stand out from the rest. The EZ-FLO 2005 HB is a game-changer in the world of gardening. Its innovative design allows for convenient hookup to your garden hose or drip system, giving you the flexibility to fertilize with ease. One of the standout features of the EZ-FLO 2005 HB is its broad flow range, operating from 2.5 gallons per minute minimum with no maximum flow limit, and all at a low pressure of 5 to 80 psi. That means you have precise control over your fertilizing needs, no matter the size of your garden. Installation is a breeze, taking just minutes to set up without the need for any electricity. Simply attach it to your hose bib or drip system, and you're ready to go. With glowing reviews like that, it's clear that the EZ-FLO 2005 HB is a must-have tool for any gardener looking to take their plants to the next level. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your gardening routine and achieve stunning results, look no further than the EZ-FLO 2005 HB. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gardening!